Welcome. In this video tutorial, I will do a demo on how to use the BitLocker feature in Windows 11 to encrypt your drive. It could be your hard drive on your computer, your flash drive, or an external hard drive. The benefit of this is that if your drive is misplaced or your computer is misplaced and gets in the hands of bad individual, they might not have access to your data. So I have a really small flash drive that I'm going to be adding BitLocker encryption to the drive. So I'm going to navigate my folder, and if you look here, you will see the name of the drive is called the drive to encrypt. So after encrypting the drive, I'm going to remove it from the system, and when I reinsert it into the system, it's going to ask me for a password. So let's begin. So in your search box in Windows 11, you want to type BIT, and once you type BIT, you're going to see Manager BitLocker. You want to click on that, and it's going to open shortly. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is you will see that the drive to encrypt. So I'm going to click on that drive and then turn BitLocker on, and it's going to start initializing the drive. Okay, and then they're going to ask me whether I have a smart card to unlock the drive. I don't have, so I have a password to unlock it. So I'm going to try to use a really good password to unlock the to be able to unlock the drive. So I'm going to type in my password in there. This is a very good thing to do to assist with your privacy. And then you click next. They will ask you where you want to save your recovery key. Don't save it on the same computer or the drive that you're trying to encrypt. You want to save it to another location. So I'm going to save it to a file, and I'm going to save it to another drive that I have attached to my system, and I'm going to save it. Okay, and click next. And for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to encrypt the use disk space only, so that will be faster and best for new PC and drives. If you want to encrypt the entire drive, you can do that, which I will recommend, but I'm going to encrypt the use disk space on this drive, and I'm going to click next. Best for drives that can be moved from this device, so you want to take this option, and you want to start encrypting. Because my drive is not large, it's not going to take that long. It's about 1 gigabyte. So feel free to move the slider. It's going to be done shortly. And then once it gets done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the drive. I'm going to eject the drive, and when I insert the drive into the computer, it's going to ask me to unlock the drive. The encryption is almost done, 99.6% completed. And as soon as the encryption is completed, you will get the prompt encryption of E is complete. You click close. Now these are all the options that are being assigned to this encrypted drive. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this window and I'm going to remove the drive. And then once I remove the drive, I'm going to insert the drive back into the computer. So I'm going to remove the drive and I'm going to insert the drive into the computer. And I'm going to go to Folder Explorer and you will see the drive has a lock on it. To access the drive, I will have to unlock it. So I'm going to click, type in the password. And you see that the drive has opened. Okay. So if you misplace your drive and your drive is encrypted, you can be in a position where some bad actors may not see the content of your drive. So I recommend you, if you got a Windows PC, I'm going to cover other OS like Linux, but for those who have Windows PCs and they want to use the BitLocker feature to protect the drive, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.